Emily loved challenges, and her latest idea was to turn an old, unused garage into a creative art studio. It wasn't going to be easy, but she was excited about the project. "I'll finally have my own space to paint," she thought with a smile. The garage had been abandoned for years and was filled with old furniture, boxes, and dust. Emily spent the entire weekend cleaning it out. She threw away what she didn't need and kept a few interesting pieces of furniture she could repaint. After clearing the garage, Emily started designing her new studio. She imagined large windows for natural light, bright walls, and plenty of shelves for her art supplies. She spent hours sketching the design, making sure it would be both practical and inspiring. Emily was good at painting, but she didn't know much about construction. So she decided to ask her friend Mike, a carpenter, for help. "I need some advice on how to install the windows and fix the walls," she said. Mike agreed to assist her and even offered to help with the installation. Mike and Emily started the renovation the following weekend. They began by replacing the old, cracked windows with new, larger ones. It took longer than expected because they ran into a few problems with the walls. "We'll have to fix the foundation before adding the windows," Mike said. During the renovation, they discovered that the roof was leaking. Emily hadn't planned for this extra expense. "What a nightmare," she said, frustrated. But she didn't want to give up. She adjusted her budget and decided to delay buying some art supplies until the roof was repaired. After fixing the roof and installing the new windows, things finally started to move forward. Emily painted the walls a soft white, giving the studio a bright and clean atmosphere. She added colorful curtains and decorated the space with some of her own artwork. With the major work done, Emily focused on the small details. She set up a large wooden table for painting and arranged her brushes, paints, and canvases neatly on the shelves. She also installed track lighting to highlight her artwork when it was finished. After weeks of hard work, the studio was ready. Emily invited her friends over to celebrate the opening of her new creative space. Everyone admired the transformation, especially Mike, who was proud of how well the project had turned out. Sitting in her new studio, Emily felt a sense of pride and accomplishment. She picked up her brush and began to paint, feeling more inspired than ever. "This is just the beginning," she thought, as she imagined all the art she would create in this beautiful new space.